Yeah, that's right. That's right. Angers, hatreds, jealousies are the things that we have experienced the most. Because of that, we never used to have a day without any uncomfortable feelings or a day with an unchanging joyfulness. The circulation or the continuation of the life in this mundane world is called samsara, which means the life is a struggle through the steep cliffs of suffering. But is it possible that a human who is 85 years old but having a natural, shiny skin and a face with everlasting smiles? A saying goes that everything is possible. Everything is possible. I don't know, but this is possible. The Nobel Peace Laureate of the year 1989, a strong advocate for the better future of the humanity, the spiritual leader of Tibet, His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama. So the question arises, why he looks so young, why he is so intelligent, and why he is so peaceful. Do you guys wish to be like him? I always wanted to become like him. But for me, it's not possible in this life. The Nobel Peace Laureate, I did nothing for the world peace except the prayers. And the spiritual leader of Tibet, not possible. But though you cannot become the father of the nation, you can go on the way he showed. At the same way, though we cannot become the Dalai Lama himself, we can follow his way. The Dalai Lama's way is interesting, is exciting, is adventurous, and more importantly, is realistic. Following Dalai Lama's way means you're entering a space shuttle which leads you to a totally different planet. But it's not like going to Mars, which is unpredictable and dangerous journey. This is more than that, because it is totally safe journey and it's a guaranteed better destination. And it's not just exciting, it's obviously harmonious and everlasting peace and happiness for the entire species and the humanity. Because our strong focuses on the differences, we have been suffering a lot, and we will be suffering the same if we don't change the mindset. The humanity is a composition, like animal world, which is also a composition of the carnivores, omnivores, etc. Though their way of survival is different, they all are united in pursuit of happiness and fulfillment. So we cannot give grasses to a tiger and it's danger to force the tiger to eat it. So it's really wonderful we have so many religions, and we are grateful to all these great thinkers and religious teachers for founding such and such wonderful paths and bringing us to enjoy the choices. Though all these religions were founded to solve the problems of the humanity, stupid human beings use their religion to isolate human from human, to differentiate human from human. Because of that, we become terribly against one another and we're ready to bring wars in the name of religion. I say stupid because it's like you're angry of your pet animals of dogs and cats for not eating grasses. So this actual world is so much divided by continents and countries, by race and religion, by caste and colors. And we are like flattened balloons, very light and about to burst. So the only way to get a real solution to the problems of the humanity is to enter the safe zone, or the Dalai Lama's planet, which is called the oneness of humanity. I cannot guarantee that at the age of 85 you will still like a youngster, but it is the truth. It is the truth that if we follow the Dalai Lama's way, our inner being will still like a youngster, and the entire world will automatically become a happier place. Because in Dalai Lama's planet, there is understanding. Even you have an enemy, there's methods to change your mind so that the enemy become your best friend to improve your positive mind. And there is others before self, the real secularism, the vision of equanimity among all the believers and non-believers. And there is a genuine culture of giving respect to every human being, because it is one of the innate characteristics of the Buddhist ideology that every one of you, every human being, every sentient being has the quality, the Buddha nature. So in Dalai Lama's planet, there isn't a single person who is not important. So therefore, together we follow, together we stay, together we enjoy, and together we make our planet better again.
Oneness of entire human being. 7 billion human beings. We are same. Mentally, emotionally, physically, we are same.
One big family. With love we'll make the difference. With compassion we can see. Our hope brings us together. And love will set us free.